Hi guys, good afternoon. So welcome again to my vlog, Grace and Pete vlog. So this afternoon we're on the way to the mountains. We're gonna get some mango, or the ripe mango, maybe because it's too windy here, and maybe some ripe mango fell off from that mango tree. So we're gonna check if we can find some ripe mango in the ground. So Pia and Daibasyon is go with me, and they're getting some guava right now. So this is the guava that they got. Guava. That's guava, guys. This looks good. There's a lots of them, but some of them are not ripe yet. It's not ready yet. It's still hard. Kuan ka na. Dili kayo. Kuan man, dili man. So let's eat guava, guys. Guava. Fresh guava. Guava fruit. Look at inside. It's good, sweet. It's really good. Mostly in the Philippines, the people here, if you get some diarrhea, this is what they eat, guava, because it helps from your diarrhea. Some herbal medicine. You just boil the leaf of the guava, then you just drink it. It helps for your diarrhea. It's really good. Look at that. Good. Very sweet. I love guava, guys. But you can't eat too much guava also, because it makes your poop too hard. It makes your poop too hard. Sorry for that. That's why sometimes my husband don't like to eat guava, mainly lots of guava, because it helps your poop hard to take out. Sorry for that, guys. Oh, there's the baby goat. Have baby goat there. Oh, baby goat. Charles got some baby goat. Asa na, Charles? Yung na?
Tugipat ni Kuya.
They bought a new baby goat. Wow, look at the water. Lots of water in the creek. Look at that. Much deeper this time, so it's good thing that I just wear slippers. Because I can't pass with my shoes if I wear some shoes. Yawam ka ano rin. Yasa ha. It's hard to pass because my feet is so slippery. Oh, the water is very deep, really deep. Look at that. Because it's been raining hard today, that's why it's a lots of water from the creek. It's much deeper this time than the last time we here. Muddy. Ground is so muddy. Mabitang wala ko to nagchinilas katong usa kay ma-slide ba. Very slippery, guys. It's hard to walk. So again, I'm gonna check if have some ripe mango fell off from the ground from that mango tree. Oh, look at that mud. It's hard to walk with that mud. The feet. Oh. So this dog keeps following with us wherever we go. He's been always go with us. Papaya tree. That's papaya tree over there. So that's all banana tree. So we're gonna check if lots of mango, ripe mangoes. So we're gonna get some of this mango here because I love this mango, this one, because it's not so sour. Wala siya rimi diha. Pamalangit to Charles now dahil tagpananghit. So that's a mango, guys. So that kinds of mango, we call it Indian mango na day. We call it Indian mango, and it's not so sour. Some of the mangoes here have a sour taste on it, and I can't eat too much sour because of my acid. So we have that big stick. I'm craving some mango today. Oh. Naiiyap daghan si mangga dito. Sala, it's good for uyap or that bagoong. That mango there, it's good to have a bagoong on it. I love bagoong or uyap. We call it uyap. Bagoong is Tagalog in uyap. That shrimp, that paste shrimp, it's good. And my husband actually likes it, that bagoong with mango in it. It's really good. He really likes it. And look at that beautiful view there, sugar cane and the mountains. Nato diri de. So lots of mangoes here in the ground too. So, look at this. This kind of mango, we call this Indian mango. It's just small. Oh, it's raining here, guys. It's raining. Luy abitaw no. Oh, there's a ginger here, guys. Look at that. Ginger. Wow. Ginger. Lots of ginger here. Wow, our neighbor here planted some ginger. Lots of ginger, guys. Wow. Lots of ginger. And who's here? Who's here?
Me.
Me. Who are you?
Virgil.
Virgil. He's not supposed to go with us because he needs to eat lunch first, and he's been following with us. Virgil, you're not supposed to be walk alone there because the creek maybe have floods.
I'm following you.
Huh?
In the back.
I not see you.
You are. I'm the
very what?
end back.
You keep hiding. While we are walking, you keep hiding at our back. Huh? So while we're on the way here, Virgil is I not know that he follow us and he keep hiding when we walking through here. He's just there at our back. That's smart kid. Okay, payong sa lang, palihog ko payong big. Kali ko kakon ako cellphone. Palihog ko.
Payong?
Thank you. Turun ano ay push. push hard. It's raining here. Stay with me. Stay with me lang ka. So the rain here is on and off. It's not been raining while we are on the way here, and now it's raining hard. So look at that. Be careful because it's slippery, Jill. Slowly. Slow down. There's nothing. No mango. No ripe mango in the ground. So you have a lot there in the tree, but it not fell off yet. That's why we're checking, because last night and this morning it's been windy, so the wind is very hard. That's why we're thinking that maybe have some ripe mangoes fell off from that mango tree. So there's no ripe mango in the ground. No luck today. No luck. Oh, it's raining here in the mountains. Virgil! Raining so hard. Raining too hard. Eh, makaigo niya mo. She keeps throwing some stones, my friend, to the tripod. I don't think so she can get it. They keep throwing some stones on it. And we're still here, and we found 2 ripe mangoes. Not that bad. So banana here, banana. There's a banana over there. So the rain stopped finally. The rain finally stopped. So it's hard to walk when it's wet. When it's wet. Asaman? Hello, there's mango there. Look at that, guys. Ripe mango. My friend found the ripe. Oh, there's a lot of pineapple here. Oh my god. Very delicious pineapple. Oh, we're gonna get more there. Oh. Asaron piya. Ripe mango, guys. Look at that. It's not really totally ripe. Wala ni kuan. Pagkita ran ako. It's too close. So look at this one. Almost ripe. Looks good. Virgil, over here. Oh, there's lots of pineapple here. So we already home from the mountains. I not finish my videos there in the mountains because my phone, it keeps saying full storage. I can't do more videos. Then when I arrived here in the house, I let my husband help me to clean some of my videos in my files, and we got a lots of mangoes. So I am here downstairs right now. So this is what we got. Lots of mangoes and some guavas. And Pia got some ripe mango. Dilawi daw Pia. Nami? Said good. Ako ani be? Good. So, we gonna asay mong kuan bagoong. Asa gibutang? Ay dra ay. So we have this bagoong guys or uyap ni siya no. Bisaya uyap ni. Palayo ko abli baby. So this one we call this bagoong or uyap. I'm gonna show you. So my sister tried to open it. It's hard to open. So my friend Bashun slicing the mango. So mao ni siya guys. So this is the bagoong. This is shrimp paste. Shrimp paste ni sa English no? Shrimp paste. So this is good for the mango. So we're gonna eat this one. We're gonna eat this now. So we eat mango. And we have this bagoong. So it's so delicious. Ali Pia. Ano ba to? Delicious. Lami kayo guys. Yummy. Delicious. Ito kayo hilig mangga aslong pa. Sorry hilig ka aslong. Like one ba? Ito? Ha? Matay acid ano. So this one is the sweet mango that we got from the mountains. What? A lot of them. More. And my mama is there, oh. Yo, guys. Guys, my mama is eating mango too. She loves mango.
Mingga kuno te, wa kuno gidugo to mangga.
Sa nagidugo.
Lako. Nabdo sa mangga.
We're enjoying eating our mango with bagoong. Maining. So I think that's all for today guys, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. God bless us all. Thank you again. See you on my next video. Bye. Bye. Bye.